So if you ever get an alarm on your machine, we have a system status button that will show you all your input lines and show you where the fault's occurring. That's this button up here right next to the connect button. It's the one that looks like a magnifying glass. You click on that, you can see it opens up a screen with all your input lines. So you have the status of this line. So NO is normally open. You can see the symbol right here shows that it's open. You got the two circles with the angled line above them, and you have this dark blue dot. This shows that this input line 1 is functioning correctly. If it's tripped, you can see like this e-stop one, line 5, is normally closed circuit. It shows the closed circuit symbol, and the dot is dark blue, so it's showing that it's functioning correctly. If I click that e-stop in, you can see that the system status symbol changes. So it's normally closed circuit, it's showing an open symbol, and I got a bright light coming out of that dot. Once I pop that e-stop back out, it changes again. So it's just a quick way to see if you ever get a fault, where that's coming from without having to walk around and diagnose the whole entire table. If you ever get an alarm, you can call one of our techs, and we can walk you through any kind of problem and fix it. This is most likely the first screen we're going to look at to help you diagnose what is going on with your table.